Hi, welcome to Axel Learning Smart Math Challenge series. In this series, we will explore challenging math questions and see if we can beat the clock and get the answer in under 10 seconds. First, we will show you the problem of the day. Next, we will try to solve the problem using the standard method, also known as the boring method. Then we will explore AI responses like ChatGPT and Google's Gemini to see how they can solve the question. And lastly, we will show you the fastest and smartest way to solve the problem without the use of a calculator or an AI. Stay tuned till the end to see how we can solve this problem in less than 10 seconds. So, here's the problem. If x minus y equals 3 and x cubed minus y cubed equals 189, then x plus y is equal to A. 5, B. 7, C. 9, D. 11, E. 13. Let's see how most people solve this kind of problem, the boring method. Here's the same question. Pause the video now to see if you want to solve it first before we do. So the standard method, you're supposed to remember the formula x minus y cubed equals x cubed minus y cubed equals 3xy times x minus y. X minus y cubed equals 3 cubed equals 27. Also, x cubed minus y cubed equals 189. That is 27 equals 189 minus 3xy times 3. 27 equals 189 minus 9xy. That is xy equals 189 minus 27 over 9 equals 162 over 9 equals 18. Now, x plus y squared equals x minus y squared plus 4xy equals 3 squared plus 4 times 18 equals 9 plus 72 equals 81. Therefore, x plus y equals 9. And the answer is letter C. Estimated time to arrive at the answer is 90 seconds. Now for the fun part, let's see if AI is smart enough to solve this correctly. We'll first start with ChatGPT and then we'll do the same with Google's Gemini. Here we are in ChatGPT using the latest ChatGPT 4. Let's paste the question and see. Remember, our answer was option C, 9. Let's see how ChatGPT solves the problem. It's now analyzing the problem. It's still trying to solve the problem. It's almost a minute now. Alright, it gave us the correct answer. Option C, 9. It took us some time to get the answer from ChatGPT. Now let's try this on Gemini. We'll paste the same question and see. Again, remember the answer was option C, 9. Let's see how Gemini solves this problem. Alright, it gave us its calculation. Oh, but it gave us the wrong answer. It gave us letter B and the correct answer should be letter C, 9. ChatGPT was able to give us the correct answer, but it took us some time. As I had promised, let's see the fastest and smartest way to solve this question without the use of a calculator or an AI. Here's the same question. Pause the video now to see if you have a faster and smarter way to solve this question and beat the clock. So here's the smart way. The answer is option C. Simply write the values of x and y such that x minus y equals 3 and x plus y equals the values in the options as shown below. 5 is equal to or greater than 4 and 1. 7 is equal to or greater than 5 and 2. 9 is equal to or greater than 6 and 3. 11 is equal to or greater than 7 and 4. 13 is equal to or greater than 8 and 5. Now, start cubing the values of x and y and find the option for which the difference is 189. A. 4 cubed minus 1 cubed equals 64, minus 1 is equal to 63. B. 5 cubed minus 2 cubed equals 125, minus 8 equals 117. C. 6 cubed minus 3 cubed equals 216 minus 27 equals 189. This should be the answer. There is no need to solve further as there cannot be more than one answer. And you got letter C. And the estimated time to arrive at the answer is 10 seconds. Drop in a comment to share if you have an even better and faster way to solve this question. Like and subscribe to this channel for more such videos or visit us at www.axellearning.com. Thank you and stay tuned for the next one.